Microsoft announced the new wave of the features for the Microsoft 365 Copilot. We don't have any revolution here, but constant evolution of the products that we already own and use in the Microsoft 365. In this video, I will summarize all important announcements, new features that were not announced previously, and I will show you the demos prepared by Microsoft and summarize where is the opportunity for you and your business. There are a few big changes and big improvements that I believe will really improve the way how you work with Copilot, and moreover how you rate the quality of the work that is delivered today based on the evolution that is announced for applications like Copilot in PowerPoint or Copilot in Excel. If you would like this video, please leave the thumbs up, comment or subscription. This will help this channel to grow. And let's jump in to the new features that Microsoft announced for the next months that will land on your Microsoft 365. Copilot Pages, the new space to collaborate with AI. The first new functionality that is announced by Microsoft is the possibility to create the pages in the Microsoft Copilot. This will be dedicated space that could be created in the area when you will work together with Copilot with AI based on loop components, which you can share with your colleagues and invite them to work together on this data. Other users could improve additional components. You can collaborate in the meantime with Copilot or Copilot for Microsoft 365, gather additional summaries, inputs, and gather all of that information in the dedicated space where you can collaborate together with your colleagues. Very similar functionality to the way how Microsoft Loop works, but you can use that as a dedicated space to improve the efficiency when you work as a team and preparing additional components, including Copilot. This is maybe not the agent or Copilot team, but this is new functionality that should improve heavy usage Copilot and AI in the collaborations together during more advanced, more challenging projects. On the screen, you can see the example of the data delivered together by multiple users in Pages in Copilot. Copilot in Excel is globally available and we're getting Python including there. Number 2 functionality announced by Microsoft is global availability of the Microsoft Copilot in Excel, which will be extended in the detailed and advanced analytics for the data that you will use there. Moreover, it will be possible to generate the Python code that will improve the operations that could be used there. And moreover, it will be possible to use these functionalities to predict the data based on the information that we already gathered. This is something really exciting and really fascinating for me, because every business users who trying Copilot in Excel asking for the advanced analytics and generation of possible Python code that will help in that should solve that. SharePoint Agents generated in one click. This is the feature I was waiting for. Now you will be able to use the data gathered in SharePoint and generate the bot agent using Copilot Studio that will deliver the AI-based functionality for your business users. By one click, you will be able to start the generation of the Copilot Studio-based agent that will be able to share with other users or used in the chat just by adding some questions, and agent will be able to analyze the data gathered in SharePoint and deliver proper answer to the business user. Fantastic feature, I'm waiting to test it. Zero code AI agents created in Copilot Studio. You already heard that I love the bots that can be created in SharePoint, so let's start to use Copilot Studio more and easier way. Now you will be able to create the Copilot agent without any coding, without any advanced configuration, just by using the prompts and providing necessary information to create the Copilot Studio AI agents using natural language and setting very basic configuration. This very business-oriented model and functionality that will allow you to create AI agent in just few clicks without any coding, with very business-oriented simple approach. I love this idea and I'm looking forward to use Copilot Studio agents just like this one. Finally, organization branded beautiful presentations in PowerPoint. And we get to the point that PowerPoint with Copilot will be able to create presentations that will be exciting, will be beautiful, moreover will be branded in our company slide structure and use the graphics in our organization. You will be able to create the narration and the structure of your presentation using multiple documents, using multiple content elements, and prepare proper structure for our Copilot to generate beautiful slides, which will look much better than in the past. Most of this functionality is already on your tenant, but still some features like using the branding of the organization by design or gathering additional images from your company image stock hosted in SharePoint will be also possible. You will be able to gather the picture and then using Designer to improve the layout of your presentation. And in the end, you're getting beautiful slides created by AI. Let's ask AI to organize our mail inbox. Last but not least is the feature in the Microsoft Outlook that will allow us to improve the organization of our mailbox. Our AI assistant will be able to prioritize the mails that could be important for you, and moreover you will be able to teach our Copilot to prioritize different content on top of our mailbox. Maybe that will be the solution that will help to focus on the most important relevant information. As you can see, Microsoft 365 Copilot evolving to be more and more mature product. I comparing that to the very first experience with the modern SharePoint. Think about it if you remember that times, how mature that product was there and where we are today. You should expect that waves like that will be coming from Microsoft probably every few months, and the new features will be landing on your Copilot for Microsoft 365 and deliver new functionalities, improving the quality and helping you to have much better ROI and the value from using generative AI in the Microsoft 365. I wonder which feature looking most promising for you. Frankly speaking, my favorite one are improvements in the Excel and new agents that will be delivered just by one click. I love that one. Frankly, I'm looking forward to building the knowledge bases for the customers and then delivering the very easy to deploy Copilot Studio based agent that will help to retrieve that data and answer the questions from the business users. I wonder what you liked in this presentation. Share that in the comments. For now, thank you very much for the time you spend and invest in this video, and see you in the next one.